Hello and welcome to Entrant. I hope you're all well and are ready to start with the new chapter, that is Time Goes On. This is the first part of the chapter in which we are going to discuss concepts like age, calendar, festivals, and birth certificate. So let's get started. So our first exercise is a fun exercise. It requires us to fill the blank as the opposite word for the word in pink. So we just have to write the opposite of the word in pink. Okay, let's start. As the sun rises, because that will be the opposite of sets, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely morning. She washes her face fast in 2 hours. Washing face in 2 hours is not fast, right? So let's convert it into minutes. And runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few years. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out. But before she can blink her eyes, in a second, a cat jumps onto the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Dum, dum. In 2 minutes, it is on the ground. Oh, how sad! The mango is still not fully ripe. It needs one more month to become sweet. Suddenly, Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for breakfast." Okay, this is a fun exercise. We could all just uh, apply the common time we have been seeing, we have been hearing. Okay, next. So this is an exercise for you. You have to list out 2 tasks over here that takes seconds to be completed and one task over here that takes months to be completed. Okay, search, think, talk to your parents, talk to your friends, talk to your siblings, because if I tell you, so you won't do anything at home, right? It is very interesting, so just try once. Next, so now let's talk about age concept. Okay, so we are given Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. That means if Irfan is 10 years old, his mother is 20 years old. She is also 20 years older than him. These are two different situations we are given. With the help of these, we are going to find the ages of Irfan and his mother. So this is Irfan's mother and this is Irfan. If we take Irfan's age to be X, so his mother's age will be 2x, right? According to this, because Irfan's mother's age is twice his. Okay. Now, she is also 20 years older than him. How do we write this? X plus 20 equals to 2x, right? Using this. Because X is Irfan, 2x is his mother. So if we add 20 years more to Irfan, we will get the age of his mother. So let's take X here. 20 equals to 2x minus x equals to 20, which is the age of Irfan. Now his mother's age is twice his age, right? So 2 into 20, that is 40. Okay, clear? Moving forward, let's talk about birth certificates now. We all have birth certificates, even you will have birth certificates. Talk to your parents, ask them to show you. Okay, So it is basically a proof that when you were born. Okay. Now, there's this Bincy Thomas Jacob who was born on this date. 2/5/2002 shows that Bincy was born on. So here 2/5/2002 is 2 is the date, 5 is the month, and 2002 is the year. So 5th month, which is May. So 2nd May in the year 2002. How old will Bincy be on 2nd May 2008? So she was born in 2002. In 2003 she will be 1. In 2004 she will be 2, and so on. So we will just subtract 2008 with 2002 and we will get 6 years, right? We don't have to count that much. How old will she be in the year 2052? Just do the same, right? 50 years. Okay? Don't start counting. You will never finish it. On what date will she be 8 years old? So she will be 6 years old in 2008, right? Then she will be 8 years old in 2010. So 2nd May 2010, right? How many months old was Bincy on 2nd August 2002? She was just 3 months old, right? How many years old is Bincy now? So it is 2021 going on. So just subtract, okay? 11 minus 2, 9. 1 minus 0, 1. So 19 years old. Bincy will be 19 years old this year, okay? Now, after how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? This little date is the date of certification issued, okay? So this is 5th 08 2002. So after how many months? So 5 to 8, that is 3 months, and 2nd to 5th, that is 3 days. So after 3 months 3 days she got her birth certificate. What is the registration number? This is the registration number. Okay, moving forward. So here we will talk about calendar of 2018. How many months does a year have? A year has 12 months from January to December. List the months which have 30 days. So April has 30 days, June has 30 days, okay, September has 30 days, and November has 30 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months we will write the name, okay. List the months which have 30 days, 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months, right? And write the name. How many days does the month February have? In 2018, the month February has 28 days. Usually, February has 28 days, but if it's a leap year, so it has 29 days. Leap year is 366 days in the whole year. How many days makes a week? 7 days makes a week, Monday to Sunday. How many weeks are there in July? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are complete weeks, and 5th week is not so complete. So we just write 4 months. Is it true for all the months? Yes, mostly it is true. In which month did you come to class 3? You know, right? Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. You can do this now. Which year was it 2 years back? 2019. In which year were you in class second? 2022. 2020. Which year will be the next year? 2022. Which year will come after 3 years? 22, 23, 24, right? Okay. Now let's see the next exercise. So here we are given the name of festivals on the particular dates, okay, as per the calendar of 2018. So we will look the calendar in the previous slide and just fill out the date, okay. You can do this. Now arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. First, January, right, that is Pongal. We don't have anything for February, we don't have anything for March. April, Bihu. May, nothing. June, July, okay, and so on. Keep just seeing and noting down. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? That is in January, Pongal, right? Okay, in January we have another festival, Guru Ravi Dance. So before Bihu, that will come, okay? So just be careful. Which festival comes at the end of the year? December 25th, Christmas, our favorite, right? So this is it for the first part of chapter 7. Keep practicing on the concepts we've just discussed and look out for the second part. Thank you.